During the summer months at U-GRO Learning Centers, we take advantage of the sunshine and warmer temperatures to shift gears. From June through August, we take a break from the traditional curriculum and create a summer camp atmosphere with our Summer Safari program. Children engage in special activities like splash days, hands-on sensory explorations, bounce house fun, STEAM investigations, sports activities, and theme days. We even have weekly picnic lunches with ice cream treats. Throughout the summer, U-GRO hosts special guests that bring unique learning opportunities to each center. Our guest roster often includes live animal education, magicians, and pony rides. Older children ages 4 and up also travel off-campus for field trips. But even while our children are having this much fun, they are still learning and growing. Our teachers bring in new activities and hands-on projects each week that focus on STEAM elements. School-age children even start learning about coding and programming. We top off the summer fun with U-GRO's annual Palooza event. This is where we bring together our children from each center to participate in a variety of activities such as science demos and experiments, carnival games and gaga ball, even jugglers and music concerts. So when you're planning how your children will spend the summer, look no further than the early childhood learning program you rely on during the rest of the year. We'll be having a lot of fun at U-GRO this summer and hope your family will join us. Contact us for Summer Safari program details.